Hello friends, welcome to Otica Meditronics company. Today we are going to demonstrate an unboxing and the usage of the GUEDEL Airway, which is widely used nowadays by the anesthetics. This is C. Our device comes with various sizes, and this is the outer box to keep it safely in your hospital. There is a lock inside of box. You can see we have given all the sizes of the GUEDEL Airway. It starts with 4 number. All the GUEDEL Airways are given with the number. You can see 4 number, 5 number, and this is the 6 number, 7 number, 8 number, 9 number, 10 number, and 11 number. So we have provided this GUEDEL Airway box set in such a condition that you can easily operate while there is an emergency in your hospital. So you can keep it very safely as well as properly in your hospital. Thank you for watching.